Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is October 31st and we are looking at the chart of QQQ. This is the Nasdaq 100 ETF, 30 minutes time frame. You can see right here we ended with 2 in the minor degree here at 590, and then we continue to rally to new high. And we are within the wave 3 right now, right? Within the wave 3 in the minor degree, we subdivides into 5 waves. So we got this 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Very nice. And you can see the extension, clear extension within the wave 3 here. So now looking for wave 5 higher to finish wave 3 in the minor degree. And then after that, we should be getting wave 4, and then another leg up in the wave 5. So if I zoom out and giving you some context on the 4-hour time frame, focus on the minor degree wave 2 here. Here it is, wave 2 in the 4-hour time frame. So let me copy this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the minute degree here. So this 1, 2, and this is 3, 4. Right, so we're looking for wave 5 higher now, which should be ending wave 3 in red. So this is your 1 here, and you can see this one is a diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Very nice diagonal here. So now looking for one last leg, 5. That should be only ending 3 in red. And then you will get further upside, pull back 4 and then 5 before you finish a 5 ways up from here. Now again, similar to all the other indices that we cover in the channel, we are looking for the final leg here, right? We are looking for the final leg. This is still in the same cycle that started from this April 2025 low. This is a major low after, there was an initial tariff war with the whole world from the US. And so now we're looking to complete that last leg here, which is your wave 5 from the low. But within the wave 5, it's not yet done in the shorter cycle, right? As you can see before, this wave 5 here, you can see it's 1, 2, 1, 2. It's a nest and should still see a few more high before ending. Now, other option, well, we still can do double in the wave 4 here. So we still can do something like this, and still doesn't change the idea we should be looking for more upside, even if it does another leg down, doing a bigger 3-ways pullback or 7 swing pullback. Okay, so this is what we call a nest. This is the general structure of the nest. We are extending higher within the wave 3 of 5. So this is 1, 2, the same 1, 2 we have here. This is the 2 here. So now we are now within the 3, which is basically in the last leg here. So then 4, 5. Now once we finish all the 5 waves in the red color in the minor degree, that will also potentially end this entire cycle from April 2025. Okay, so that's the idea here, guys. And in terms of potential target here, short term, simply just measure retracement of wave 4 and take the 1.236 to 1.618 as your potential target on the upside. It's kind of the minimum target here, which is 640.8 and 645.5. all right, so that's the update for the QQQ. And as always, if you want to get more regular updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. Use the link in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.